Amitabh Tiwari, well-known political strategist and commentator, Sandhya HR joining us, and I have Rajat Singh joining us on this podcast. So let's get started. What I do is we'll take you through some data sets. Now, we're going to show opinion poll numbers. We can't tell you whether it's the BJP or the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party, which is doing well or badly. But we can look at data through which by itself can help you get a sense of what are the critical factors in this battle then. So I get the first question, which is to do with the most important issue, which this is data by Seawater, another tracking poll. So the first question really deals with which is the most important issue in the national capital. If you see, unemployment has been amongst the most important issues throughout this period. At least 21% of the respondents in all the last four trackers say unemployment is important to them. Just slightly more important than unemployment in the national capital are civic issues. So issues to do with sewage, water, roads, that kind of stuff. Then women's security, then corruption, then inflation. Inflation is in fact the third most important issue, which is 18%. The issue with inflation is who do you blame for inflation? If inflation is important, do you vote that against central government, do you vote that against state government? And if civic issues are important, doesn't get held more against the state government than it does against the central government. But civic issues are really about what's happening in your locality. And unemployment also, do you blame the local government for unemployment? Do you blame just national government for unemployment? And then there is development of the state, which doesn't seem to be a very significant issue. So civic issues coming in at 23%, unemployment at 21%, and inflation at 18%. With unemployment and inflation being two issues where it is debatable who voters pin those issues on. Civic issues very clearly would get pinned on the state government. The other two issues are really depending on the lens the voters see to be strong. That being said, let me go across for opening comments to our panel of guests joining us on this broadcast. I'll start with Sanjay Kumar. Praveen Kumar, what's your sense at this moment about where the battle for Delhi stands? And if the Seawater data says that these are the most important issues, how would you be decoding or trying to interpret the data if you were looking at it spreadsheet?
If we look at the data in a comparative perspective, Rahul, when surveys of similar kind were done in other states, unemployment was a much higher number. If I'm talking about the Maharashtra or Haryana, in Delhi it's slightly lower. My own sense is that elections in Delhi is not being fought on the issue of unemployment or price hike. It is being contested on two different issues. One, Aam Aadmi Party is pushing hard to convince the voters that they have done a great job for Delhi, especially in the field of health and education, while on the BJP is trying to contest this election on the issue of corruption. Because Aam Aadmi Party came up with a moral high ground when Aam Aadmi Party was formed, that this is a party which is fighting against corruption. So BJP is taking the flank of corruption. They're charging the government of being corrupt. They're not countering BJP, Aam Aadmi Party's claim that they are not. If you take that away, corruption is just 5%. The respondents think corruption is the number one issue for them. So obviously that's not ranking as a very significant issue in the eyes of people that they are not seriously. That that is why if you look at how the campaign of BJP has changed a little bit, they started with the Sheesh issue, the Sharaf Mutala. But slowly and gradually, if you notice that during the last 5 or 10 days, it shifted on the whole issue of pollution, Ganga water, and Yamuna water. So I think BJP also realized that yes, corruption is an issue which can influence the middle class voter, but this is not an issue which appeals the poor class voter and the lower class voter, which are the core vote banks of Aam Aadmi Party. So I think both the parties are trying to contest issues on different grounds, and that is why unemployment is not coming up as big an issue as we see in other states. Okay. Everything is in context. I mean, when you talk about if you are getting a population getting of 47, 48, 46% impact in the last 1 month, one has to also go back 5 years in the tracker and see that the same KPI was trending at 60, 62% in the population number. So that drop is there, but the issue of corruption, as Sanjay rightly said, it goes to the point that it brought down the halo of the Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party as much no more a party like being a corruption protector. But what it has done that it has
drama നടത്താൻ തുടങ്ങി drama started drama and inside my flat here. This is my flat. I'm not the PNG apartment where I'm being here. I am. Somebody is making sound. Open the door with much sound. I am on my bed. I'm sleeping. You can see. Here I am. Okay.